Let's dive deeper into the action with our markets reporters. Equities, bonds, currencies, commodities. On the close, Abigail, what were you watching?
Well, small moves for stocks, record highs, but bigger moves for bonds. Take a look at this. The 10-year yield down 5 basis points, the biggest move down, the biggest rally for treasuries, price trades inverse to yield of the month. Let's put it into the context of a chart by Paul Siana of Bank of America Merrill Lynch. He was very bullish on bonds for the year, correctly so, but he said if the 10-year yield breaches the downtrend in yellow, that he would turn bearish. We could see the 10-year yield go up to 2.15%, Mike.
Well, thanks, Abigail. Well, in the corporate bond market, all eyes have been on this monster offering from AbbVie to fund its purchase of Allergen. In fact, it's the fourth biggest deal of all time, the biggest of the year, and the market seems to have absorbed it pretty well. In fact, if you look at the spread on investment-grade bonds, it actually fell to a 20-month low of about 104 basis points yesterday. That's according to the Bloomberg Barclays U.S. Aggregate Corporate Index. And Taylor, this obviously bodes well for what the bond market is really gearing up for, and that is what could possibly be the biggest LBO of all time, a buyout of Walgreens Boots Alliance. Taylor.
Well, Mike, I'm taking a look at the defensive sectors. And if you come and take a look at a chart here that I'm showing inside my terminal, UBS is saying that within defensives, it is healthcare over utilities. They're taking a look at the forward PE ratio based on projected earnings in a report this week. And they're noting that the forward PE of the healthcare index has dropped as much as 29% below the ratio of the S&P 500 utilities index during October. That discount is the biggest on record. So if you're getting defensive here, UBS at least saying do healthcare over utilities.